In this video, I'm going to show you a method that you can make money by typing. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to make money with this method, and I'm going to show you the websites and the tools that we need to make this possible for us. In this method, we are going to type and create names for the companies and organizations and get paid for that. To do that, we can go to a website called atom.com. And in this website, as you can see, there are many people that are actually making names and selling them to companies and organizations. For example, if I go to this section here, naming contests at the top, and go to this recent winners, we can see that the people actually are making a lot of money here. For example, this one, so this person actually made $225 on July 25th of 2024. Let's look at this person here, and this person actually created a name for a finance business, and she got just $500 for that. That's really amazing. And also, if you, for example, look at the other things here, we can see that this person actually created a name for a mobile sharing wrap company, and actually this person also got $300. So this is possible also for you to create these names and make a lot of money with that. Now let's go to another website that we can make money with the names. So this website actually is called namingforce.com, and also here the people are selling names to companies and organizations and get money. For example, if you go to the section contest here, so here there is a contest for every customer they receive, every company that they want a name, they come here to this website, they register, and they create a contest. So it means that different people submit the names, and it's just like a competition, and the company and organization choose one of these names, and the winner who submitted the name gets the money. All right, another way we can make money by typing is actually going to a website which is called jobgather.com. Jobgather is actually a website that you can find jobs by typing. And one of the jobs we can do online from home in a remote way is data entry. With data entry, you can actually go here and search in the section here, remote data entry jobs, data entry and remote from, and you just click for the search. After I click search, I can see that there are lots of jobs here that come here and we can choose for doing data entry. For example, let's go to this one, data entry, new account analyst. And as you can see, it's actually a freelance job with this amount of salary per year, and you can actually work from anywhere. It's fully remote, and the qualification it needs not really high, just high school diploma required. And actually there are some tasks you need to do, and you can easily apply for this. This is completely remote and you can do it from home easily. For example, we can go to another job here, remote data entry clerk. So we go to this one, and you can see here that it's completely remote, and you just need to just type and do some data entry. And also you can see the details for the job. So after that, you can apply for that and just go to these links here and start getting the job. Also, there is another website that we can try to find data entry jobs, is going to the website called FlexJobs. So here in the Flex Jobs, if we type data entry jobs, remote work from home and flexible, there are a lot of jobs actually coming up here. This one, for example, says 100% remote work. So if you click this one, and you can see that it needs someone who is responsible for a variety of office supports, conference room setup, and excellent customer service. So what you need to do is just the data entry, answering phones, drafting, and editing documents. So there are a lot of jobs here that you can choose from and start working from home and make money. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel for new great videos in future to make money online. Thank you very much for your support, and see you in the next video.